Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sparking debate worldwide: the effects of cannabis on the developing brains of teenagers. Recent steps by the U.S. administration to reclassify certain cannabis products have led to both celebration and concern. While some are thrilled about relaxed restrictions, new worries are emerging about how cannabis impacts adolescent brain development. Studies published in JAMA Psychiatry reveal that cannabis use among teenagers can significantly alter brain structure. Research involving nearly 800 teens showed that cannabis consumption leads to an increase in the thinning of the cerebral cortex. This part of the brain is crucial for higher cognitive functions like learning, memory, and problem solving. The studies included brain imaging before and after cannabis use, starting at age 14 and then 5 years later. This accelerated thinning may result from a process called synaptic pruning, where the brain naturally sheds unused neural connections. However, cannabis use appears to speed up this thinning in certain areas of the brain's frontal lobe. Cannabis also disrupts communication between different brain regions, such as the cortex, hippocampus, and neural networks tied to emotions and rewards. These disruptions can lead to psychological disorders like depression and anxiety, particularly with repeated cannabis use. Moreover, cannabis today is much stronger than it was 2 decades ago. Modern products can contain up to 95% THC, greatly increasing addiction potential. This potency shift makes cannabis quite different from what was widely used in the past. Research shows a strong link between teenage cannabis use and a heightened risk of psychosis and bipolar disorders. This connection stems from cannabis's impact on the brain's cannabinoid receptors, which regulate many mental and emotional functions. Cannabis increases dopamine release, the chemical responsible for reward and happiness. Excessive use, however, can lead to hallucinations and delusions, raising the risk of psychosis. The endocannabinoid system, essential for mood, sleep, and memory, undergoes significant changes during adolescence, making it vulnerable to external influences like THC. When exposed to THC, this system reduces its normal activity, potentially causing memory and cognitive issues, along with a higher likelihood of depression and anxiety. For teenagers already struggling with mental health issues, relying on cannabis as a coping mechanism can create a cycle of dependency, worsening their psychological problems instead of solving them. In light of these findings, it's crucial to approach cannabis use among adolescents with extreme caution. While cannabis might offer medical benefits, it's vital to balance these against the potential risks to mental and emotional health. Understanding cannabis's true impact on the brain can guide public policies and health education, ensuring a better future for young people. If you found this video insightful, make sure to subscribe to Science Hub for more fascinating science content.